Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Derek. Derek writes from Seagirt, New Jersey. Derek writes, Gerald, with all the major hurricanes that have happened this year, I was wondering if my property insurance covers hurricane damage. Well, that's a great question, Derek. The coverage that you get for a standard homeowner's policy varies, so you always want to check it. But typically, it will cover windstorm damage from a hurricane for things like like broken windows or a torn roof or damage from trees. Normally, a standard homeowner's policy will cover those things. However, if you live in an area that's prone to hurricanes, like parts of Florida or Texas, or even maybe where you are down in the Jersey Shore, insurers can exclude that coverage from a standard homeowner's policy. And even if they do cover like windstorm damage from a hurricane, they can make you pay a higher deductible for hurricane damage. But if, for example, it's not covered in your homeowner's policy, you can call the insurer and see if they can add that, windstorm hurricane coverage to your policy, or you can try to find another policy that does include wind damage from a hurricane. But during a hurricane, it's not just the wind damage, it's the flood damage that often can be much greater. And neither standard homeowner's policy nor even a separate windstorm policy covers flood damage from a hurricane. So you need separate flood insurance for that. And the National Flood Insurance Program offers flood insurance, as does some private insurers. So to recap, standard homeowners policy is not going to cover hurricane flood damage, but it may cover some wind damage. But the key is you really have to look at your policy specifically to make certain what is covered. So thanks for your question, Derek. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.